Oh, these hiccups. I apologize.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, they're super cute, the white rabbit.
Well, I'm glad they have the white rabbit on it.
Yes.
I was afraid they were going to have
the bow. Oh my gosh.
the Queen of Hearts and
Man.
she was
these
so
hiccups.
quick to get.
Yes, but I'm super happy with these. I love Monsters Inc. Sully and Mike on the front, and then you have Randall and he's glittery, and Boo's door, and then on the bow. Oh, so sorry about my hiccups. On the bow is Boo's flowers from her door. That's on the back, and then these have silver. So these are my first pair. Oh gosh,
Scare ya. See, it worked.
Yeah, these are very appropriate.
Weren't you saying Boo's door?
Yes. Oh my gosh.